What's going on, YouTube? Got a challenge here. As most of you guys know, I have a 2014 Dodge Charger RT all-wheel drive. It's Procharged, 3600 stall torque converter, water meth kit, bunch of other stuff. It's been mentioned on my channel and another person's channel a few times. So the challenge that I have is not a community challenge this time. It's a challenge for Growls Garage. Hey Growls, I'm calling you out, quarter-mile race. My 5.7 versus your 392. Winner takes all, man. I got a leash here for you. Good luck. So those of you guys that are new to the channel and you don't know Growls Garage, I'm gonna put a link to his channel in the description below. Check it out. He's got a Challenger Scat Pack 392. He's got some work done to it. Beautiful car. Let me go through my car here really quick, and I want you guys to vote in the comments below. Actually, let's do a vote. Thumbs up, I'm gonna beat Growls Garage. Thumbs down, Growls Garage is gonna beat me. But let me go through my car here real quick so you guys can see what I'm bringing to the table. What I have here is a 2014 Dodge Charger RT all-wheel drive. Stock bottom end, 5.7 liter Hemi with the D1SC Procharger, water meth kit, FIC 600 injectors, 3600 stall torque converter, and a bunch of other stuff, man. I mean, it's custom tuned by Range Precision Motorsports. It's got cosmetic mods, the front lip, the lights. I got power stop brakes, which don't really help me go faster, help me slow down from all my crazy speed. But what do you guys think? My car gonna take down Growls Garage 392 Scat. Come on, my little people holler. I might even leave those in there just to give you a fighting chance there, Growls.